The College of Public Health and Human Sciences knows that internships are integral to students' future success and supports relationships and opportunities that not only benefit them, but also our community, our college, and those who hire them. These committed, caring, and energetic students provide industry the opportunity to engage the future workforce and to draw on their talents, ideas, and eagerness to learn. Likewise, our students get the valuable opportunity to grow and develop both personally and professionally. They gain skills and expertise, broaden their professional networks, acquire leadership qualities, and develop confidence. Internships also are a place where students can enhance, test, and apply what they've learned in the classroom. The learning that takes place during an internship bridges the knowledge students gain through coursework and provides the opportunity to gain new knowledge and exposure to an abundance of current practices. And because students bring back that new knowledge to the classroom to share with their peers and professors, internships have the ability to affect overall curricula and learning for new generations of students and to build community capacity to advance lifelong health and well-being for every person, every family, and every community in Oregon and beyond.
Hi, my name is Jenna Kennedy and I'm a senior in the athletic training program. Over my 4 years at Oregon State University, I've had the opportunity to complete multiple internships, including working with the Pittsburgh Steelers, Oregon State football, and Oregon State softball. Through these internships, I've learned what it takes to be an athletic trainer. My responsibilities with the Oregon State softball team include injury evaluation, on-field management, and rehabilitation. This entire experience has been so beneficial to me in my future career at where I hope to become a collegiate athletic trainer. I will be able to use the skills I have learned during my internships to help student athletes. So thank you for these opportunities.
Hi, my name is Vivian Nguyen and I'm a public health student. I was given the opportunity to intern at Albany InReach Services, which gave me a tremendous amount of professional and interpersonal skills. This will help me in my future career as a nurse anesthetist because I got a better understanding of the importance of access to healthcare. And a couple of my responsibilities included coordinating free flu vaccination clinics, and I also helped to implement a diabetes program. So thank you so much for this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Travis Anson. I'm a student in exercise and sports science, currently interning with the Portland Timbers Football Club. I am working with Dr. John Cohn, who is the Director of Sports Science, and I am kind of his little assistant that runs all of the day-to-day operations, helps him with data collection and management. This internship has changed the course of my career because John Cohn has inspired me to go to grad school and eventually get my PhD. So I can develop a research-based strength and conditioning program for soccer players to not only allow the players in this country to compete at the highest level domestically and internationally, but also reduce the rate of injuries that these players suffer and keep them on the field longer and training harder. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Janae Parrott. I'm a recent graduate of the Masters of Public Health program where I had my focus in international health. I did my internship at the Oregon Health Authority Addictions and Mental Health Division, where I was fortunate enough to turn my internship opportunity into a job as an independent contractor. During my internship, I was responsible for implementing a statewide prevention grant, and I was also responsible for creating a data assessment workbook for tribal prevention coordinators and also for providing technical assistance to the tribe. With this opportunity, I hope to go on and continue to implement prevention programs in communities of color and low-income communities. It's something I'm really passionate about, and I hope to change the world by hopefully implementing a single-payer healthcare system eventually, and help also to strengthen prevention systems across the United States.
Hi, my name is Ben Bogert, and I'm a senior in athletic training at Oregon State University. Over my 4 years as a student here, I've interned at 4 different places, including the Oregon State University football team, Western Oregon University football and track, Crescent Valley High School sports teams, and currently interning with the OSU girls volleyball team. My experience as an intern has really helped me to prove to myself that I am in the right field. My most recent internship with the volleyball team has been very positive and unique. You know you enjoy and value what you do when you wake up at 5:30 every day to work in an unpaid internship. I'm responsible for helping with care and prevention of athletic injuries, as well as providing assistance with treatments and rehab plans for athletes. This internship has given me a realistic expectation of what it takes to work as an athletic trainer in any professional setting in terms of work ethic, knowledge, and skill level. After graduation, I hope to either intern as an assistant athletic trainer for the Portland Trail Blazers or continue my education to become a physician assistant. I'm very grateful for these opportunities I've received through my internships. The emergency management skills alone I've developed not only help me in my career goals, but they could in fact save a life, which I think is more valuable than anything.
Hi, I'm Alexis Metler. I'm a dietetic intern here at Oregon State University. My internship is like having a different job every few weeks. Just when I start to learn everybody's name, it's time to move on to a different place. The dietetic internship gives me, as a recent nutrition graduate, a taste of the many opportunities available in the dietetics profession. Some of us are really lucky and we graduate from school knowing exactly what type of dietitian we want to be. Some of us have no idea, and some of us only think we know what we want to do after the internship. But after having been exposed to so many different options, we can completely change our minds, sometimes every week. I've had the opportunity to work in long-term care. I've worked with kids at WIC, with the dietitian at Burgerville Restaurants, with the Oregon Dairy Council, at Salem Hospital, at the Corvallis School District, and a dialysis center. Each time I go to a new site, I find a new passion. And whether this is because it's what I'm exposed to at that time or because of the fantastic preceptors I've been fortunate to have, I'm not sure. But whatever the reason, I'm leaving the internship with a wealth of new knowledge and an increased confidence in my skills and abilities. I'm really grateful for this opportunity and really look forward to using what I've learned to help change people's lives with healthy eating. So thank you so much.
My name is Christopher McLean and I am a MPH student here at OSU studying health promotion and health behavior. I'm very grateful for the opportunity that I've had to intern for Wallace Medical Concern in East Portland. It's given me a lot of great organizational experience. While being there, I have helped them really develop their diabetes care program and monitor the outcomes of the medical intervention as well as the behavioral intervention that we've implemented with this very diverse population. So it's going to help me a lot in my future career. It's going to give me all kinds of knowledge to work with in implementing health promotion programs.
Hi, I'm Sadie Davis. I'm a senior studying human development and family sciences, and I'm currently interning at the Women's Center here on campus. At the Women's Center, my job is twofold. I do office duties and administrative type of work, and I'm also a co-coordinator for a program called Worthy, which stands for Women Returning to Higher Education. We serve women who are 25 years of age and older there, and I think this is going to help me in the future with where I'm going because I'd like to really get involved in career counseling, and so helping people right now on campus will definitely aid me with that, so thanks for the opportunity.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Wymore and I'm a senior at Oregon State University. I'm studying both nutrition as well as exercise physiology. Something I'm passionate about is helping others, and my vehicle to do this is by teaching them about nutrition and exercise so they can improve the quality of their own life. Currently, I'm doing a practicum at Oregon State University's Department of Recreational Sports, working on a program called UFIT. This is a program that's designed to take sedentary students and teach them how to begin an exercise program. So in the UFIT program, we expose them to a variety of cardiovascular as well as resistance training and teach them important components such as goal setting, identifying barriers to exercise and how to develop strategies to overcome those barriers, as well as creating positive support systems. I'm really grateful for this opportunity. It's given me a lot of good experience that I can use in a career as a wellness programmer, and I'm really excited to see my work right now paying off by improving the lives of the students that I'm working with and starting to address some of those public health issues that we currently see facing our nation.
Hi, my name is Sherry Farley. I graduated just recently with my PhD in nutrition from OSU, and I'm currently a dietetic intern through OSU's dietetic program. This internship has given me a wide array of experiences, hands-on experiences in clinical nutrition, counseling, food service. I've enjoyed working with all of the preceptors and dietitians, and I appreciate that they've shared their time and especially their knowledge, and I really think that that has really immensely helped my nutrition background already. And I do have confidence moving forward that I will be even more successful in my chosen career path as a dietitian because of all of these unique experiences. So I really appreciate it. Thank you.